You ever wondered how the best recruiters seem to know the true leaders? Would you like to know what they're looking for? Find out next. There are hundreds of thousands of applicants interviewing for leadership roles every year. The vast majority have the title and the experience, but they lack that wow factor that recruiters know will make the difference between the superstar and the just okay. What is that secret that will help you unlock success? It is the mindset. True leaders show up for the interviews prepared, rehearsed, and ready to confidently share how they can make a difference. They are excited to tell their story, to share their values and ideas, and explain how their past successes will add meaningful value. True leaders did not begin their careers with that knowledge. They grew into it. They mastered the formula. And today, they know how to use it to make a consequential difference. And that is how true leaders define success.